Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all of you in Network Professionals, the Cisco Networking Academy, and I am your instructor, Ahmed Malik. Welcome to all of you in Microsoft Azure Fundamental Lecture number 7. Definitely you were waiting for this lecture, as I know that I am uploading this lecture after a long distance. I was not feeling well, so could not come in contact with you, but now I am feeling better and we are going to continue our path once again from there where we left. In our previous lecture, we discussed about Azure virtual machine skill set, Azure container instance, Azure Kubernetes service, and also discuss about their common uses. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the most common and important service of Microsoft Azure, that is Azure App Service. We also discuss about its features and also we discuss about Azure functions and its features. We will also try to cover Azure Batch Service in this lecture. So let's take a start. Microsoft Azure App Service. With Microsoft Azure App Service, you can quickly build, deploy, and scale enterprise-grade web, mobile, and API apps running on any platform. You can meet rigorous performance, scalability, security, and compliance requirements while using a fully managed platform to perform infrastructure maintenance. App Service is a platform as a service SaaS offering. By using App Service, you can enable productivity and innovation for more than 2 million apps and sites on Azure. Using App Service, you can quickly build, deploy, and scale web apps and APIs on your terms. You can work with .NET, .NET Core, Java, Python, or PHP in containerization, or running on Windows or Linux. Met rigorous enterprise-grade performance and security and compliance requirements with a trusted and fully managed service that handles more than 60 billion requests per day. Azure App Service feature. It is a fully managed service with built-in infrastructure maintenance, security patching, and scaling. It gives us a built-in continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, and zero downtime deployments. It supports for virtual networks and ability to run in an isolated and dedicated app service environment. It performs rigorous security and compliance standards, including SOC and PCI standards for seamless deployment in the cloud, in Azure government, and on premises. Azure function. Azure functions are ideal when you are concerned only about the code running your service and not the underlying platform or infrastructure. They are commonly used when you need to perform work in response to an event like REST request, timer, or message from another Azure service. And when that work can be completed quickly within seconds or less. Develop more efficiently with an event-driven serverless compute platform that helps to solve complex or orchestrate problems. The Azure function end-to-end development experience enable you to use all those languages which you are already using and familiar with, build and debug locally without additional setup, deploy and operate at scale in the cloud, and integrate services using triggers and buildings. Azure function feature. By using Azure functions, you can perform multiple tasks like accelerate and simplify serverless application development, automated flexible scaling to free for you from infrastructure management, integrated programming model to response to events and seamlessly connect to other services, end-to-end development experience with integrated tools and built-in DevOps capabilities, variety of programming languages and hosting options to fit each scenario. Get a complete serverless application development experience from building and debugging locally to deploying and monitoring in the cloud. Use functions extensions on Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code for faster and more efficient development on your local machine, fully integrated with the Azure platform. Set up continuous integration and continuous delivery CI/CD with Azure Pipeline. What is Azure Batch? Azure Batch service is one of the most strong and popular service of Microsoft Azure. Azure Batch service enables large-scale, parallel and high-performance computing batch jobs with the ability to scale to tens, hundreds, or thousands of VMs. When you are ready to run a job, Batch does the following functions for you. Starts a pool of compute VMs for you, install applications and staging the data, runs jobs with as many as tasks as you need, identifies failure, recuses the work, scales down the pool as work completes. There might be a situation in which you need raw computing power or supercomputer level compute power. Azure provides all these capabilities. That's enough for today and stay connected for all upcoming videos. Thank you very much.